This study examined self-reports of college students' perceived civic engagement and use of YouTube.com for socio-political reasons. For communication scholars, civic engagement is concerned with the relationship between communication and community life. In recent years, several studies have shown that certain Internet activities are positively related to civic engagement. Drawing on this research, the present study investigated both consumption and creation of socio-political YouTube content. The research questions were as follows. Because this study concerned young adults' use of YouTube.com, students from undergraduate classes at a large northwestern state university were recruited to participate in an online survey. The use of a convenience sample in this study was a limitation. Further, the demographics of the sample are unrepresentative of the college student population. Because of these limitations, the results of this study cannot be generalized to the population of interest, college students in the United States. YouTube media measures assessed use of YouTube.com for political and social issues and creation of socio-political YouTube media. Civic engagement was measured via self-reports of various civic activities developed from previous research. Perceptions of the role of the Internet in civic engagement were also measured. As this study was exploratory, many of the measures used had to be developed. The validity of these measures have not been previously tested. Despite these limitations, this study offers an important exploratory look into socio-political YouTube use. Crosstabs were used to assess Research Question 1 and Research Question 2. Correlation was used to assess Research Questions 3 and 4. Two different profiles of socio-political YouTube use emerged. Those who partook in the more passive consumption behavior, consuming socio-political YouTube content, were no more civically engaged than non-consumers based on measures of their traditional civic engagement behavior. But they did view themselves as civically engaged. This may have been due in part to their online engagement in the YouTube participatory network. Creators were more involved in their community than non-creators, based on comparison of traditional civic engagement behavior between creators and non-creators. Consumers did see the Internet as a legitimate location for civic engagement. However, their seeking out of socio-political content online does not spill over into action, as they do not hold the perception that it is necessary to go beyond their Internet activities and take community action. Creators' higher level of engagement in the community corresponded to not feeling as strongly about the importance of engaging with the Internet community. This may bear relation to their greater involvement in more traditional civic engagement activities. In sum, consumers perceived the Internet as a legitimate location for civic engagement and did not feel they needed to take community action. In line with this perception, they were no more likely to engage in civic activities than non-consumers. Creators were more highly engaged in the community, but they did not see the Internet as an important place for civic engagement activities. Overall, different YouTube use patterns were associated with different civic behaviors and attitudes about civic engagement. This study furthers our understanding of how different types of socio-political media use in the current media environment relate to the civic activities of young adults on and offline. Moving forward, researchers must continue to explore the perceptions of the Internet as an important location of civic engagement uncovered in this study and what implications it has on society. Significant attention is needed to this topic as it may play a significant role in elucidating an understanding of the social and political attitudes as well as behaviors of today's young adults.